What is going on, everyone? This is iReviews back with a quick video right here, and this time I will show you guys how to get the new iPad Pro wallpapers on any device. As you probably know by now, Apple has just introduced the new iPad Pros and they look absolutely amazing. And of course, with new devices there come new wallpapers, and we have 4 awesome new wallpapers that Apple has released for the iPad Pro, of course, but now you can get them on any device in full resolution. So here is how you can get them on your device. So all you have to do is just go ahead and visit this website called ispazio.net, which of course I will leave linked right down below in the description of the video. And here are the 4 wallpapers. These 4 are the new iPad Pro wallpapers, and up here we have 2 from the MacBook Pro as well. So downloading them, of course, is pretty simple. You just tap on one of them, whichever you want to download, and you can go ahead and save it to your device and go ahead and then apply it as a wallpaper, of course. So it's as easy as that, getting these new wallpapers on your device. And as I said, they are on full HD, so they look pretty awesome and make the device look really great. So go ahead and try out these new wallpapers. You can find the link right down below in the description of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.